Hi everyone, this is my intro video for School Law EDL 850 at Fort Hays State University. I'm Kyle Carlin. I'm a school psychologist with the Special Education Cooperative out of Hays, Kansas. I work a couple days a week as a traditional school psychologist covering the La Crosse Public School District, a small high school and elementary school in La Crosse, Kansas. And then I also serve as the district PBIS coordinator, positive behavior interventions and supports, helping to all of our schools in Hays to implement PBIS. I attended Fort Hays State University, where I got my bachelor's, master's, and education specialist degrees, all from there. I've been working as a school psychologist now for 7 years. My goal with this class and with this program is to become a building principal or a special education administrator. Outside of education, I spent 8 years in the Army Reserve. I'm married to my wife Stephanie, and we have 2 kids, Lauren and Evan. As far as my current administrators and how they demonstrate their knowledge of the laws and policies, they communicate with staff about requirements for mandatory reporters, emergency safety interventions, bullying, suicide prevention, and other topics. They do this through staff meetings, formal trainings, and internal communications such as memos and emails. They also reference laws and policies when making decisions, such as referring to least restrictive environment and free and appropriate public education when emphasizing the importance of decisions made in IEP meetings. They also take action to develop a state accountability plan, such as leading the district leadership team in developing our KISA plan, which is our state accreditation model for those that are outside of Kansas, and developing the action plans to achieve those goals. And then they also communicate to our school board about laws and policies that apply to the district, such as sharing the KISA requirements to the school board. At their most recent board meeting, we had some new members, and so I saw the superintendent take some time to communicate about that. My self-critique on laws and policy that apply to our schools. Being a school psychologist, I have a strong knowledge of special education law and laws that apply to emergency safety interventions. I have a strong knowledge of the state and district policies regarding special education, so I feel like that's really my strong area from a local and a state and a federal perspective. I am less familiar with laws that govern the employment and teacher evaluation, so I feel like I need some more time there. I'm also less familiar with policies that relate to Title I, ELL, migrant, and some of the other sections of the Elementary and Secondary Education Act. I have a broad knowledge of what's covered, but I need more time. I need to be more comfortable managing these programs. Okay, and then my plan for getting more familiar, of course this course I hope will help with that, but I also plan on talking to my current administrators about these programs and policies, and I plan on researching these areas to determine how I will interact with them as a building administrator. Thanks for listening to my video. I look forward to learning with you all, and have a great day.